Dreaming of French Polynesia but worried about the cost? Start by selecting islands like Moorea or Hua Hin, where you'll find more affordable accommodation compared to Bora Bora. Embrace the local culture and stunning natural beauty without the luxury price tag. Timing is everything. Plan your visit during the off-peak season to enjoy lower prices and fewer tourists. With a bit of flexibility and early booking, you can experience the island's allure at a fraction of the cost. Smart budgeting is key. Use local currency tips and understand exchange rates to manage your daily budget effectively. Splurge on unforgettable experiences and save on everyday expenses by choosing guest houses over pricier hotels. Book your activities in advance to snag the best deals. Look for early bird specials and packages that add value, like meals or equipment rentals. This foresight not only saves you money, but also secures your spot in paradise. Get around without breaking the bank. Consider ferries for scenic and affordable inter-island travel, or use public transport to navigate the islands. For more freedom, renting a scooter can be both cost-effective and fun. Finally, balance comfort and cost by staying in Tahitian guest houses. They offer a genuine local experience, often with delicious home-cooked meals, at a price that won't sink your budget. Book in advance to secure your home away from home in this tropical paradise. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.